Hello. In front of you is a low chassis tractor which we developed. The length of it is 3.85 meters. The width of it is 1.4 meters. And the height from face to the steering wheel is 1.35 meters. The weight of this tractor is 2,000 kilograms. And the horsepower of this tractor is 80. This tractor is a 4-wheel drive tractor. This tractor can tow a medium-sized agricultural tools in your field. Other side is the exhaust pipe, and the exhaust pipe is facing down. It can prevent the exhaust gas to pollute the apple and some fruit in your garden or orchard. We also install air pump on the engine, and the air pump can supply high pressure air to the gear tank. So this tractor can supply high pressure air to the implements. This tractor has 12 forward and 12 reverse gear. You can choose the drive speed according to your needs. And the PTO level, hydraulic output valve level, is beside the chair. You will feel comfort when driving, even if this tractor is a compact tractor. We install drive type air filter in the tractor, and here is the diesel tank. The diesel tank capacity is 60 liters. It can ensure you work for 9 hours per day. External hydraulic oil cylinder under the 3-point swing arm, and this cylinder has a limited valve. This kind of hydraulic oil cylinder is easy for maintenance. The swing arm length is 1.6 meters. Distance of two swing arms is 1.6 meters. Height of the suspension top is 1.75 meters. Actually, it can be used with some normal agricultural tools such as trailer, harrow, grass cutter, mower, and everything else. The main body of this tractor has a hydraulic oil tank. This tank has 10 liters capacity. We also install a secondary hydraulic oil tank in the tractor. This tank capacity is 6 liters. 16 hydraulic oil ensures the tractor has enough oil to circulate in the system. Structure and 80 horsepower ensure you can use this tractor to do some heavy jobs in the hilly terrain, forest terrain, garden, and some other farmland.